The deadline to file your income tax return has finally ended on the 31st of July, and over 5.83 crore returns were filed this fiscal. Moreover, GST collections this month was second highest since the tax came into force. My colleague Karishma Asoodani joining us on this. Karishma, why did the government decide not to extend the ITR filing deadline this time around?
Well, record-breaking numbers that have come in with the income tax return filings, and I say record-breaking because the Revenue Secretary Tarun Bajaj himself has told Business Today that government had decided this time to stay on its word of not extending, only because of the fact that they really wanted to bring the system back into normalcy. This was also the first time after the whole technical glitch on the IT portal that government wanted to test its systems and to check if things are going fine. And as per them, things were fine. The control room was working 24/7 most of the times, and people were getting help if there were any minor glitches. Now, government was, of course, able to see that more than 5 crore returns were filed within the 31st July deadline. To be precise, the number that's coming is 5.84 crore ITR returns that were filed. In fact, close to 1 crore returns were filed only on the last weekend, which was the deadline weekend as per the CBDT. Now, further going, it's expected that about 20 to 30 lakh more returns could be filed in comparison to last few years. That's almost close to 7 crore returns that are usually filed when it comes to individual salaried taxpayers. Now, taxpayers can still file their returns, but that will attract some kind of basic penalty. The first one, if for income below 5 lakh per annum, that will attract about 1,000 rupees fine, and above 5 lakh will attract rupees 5,000 fine. The government is really appreciative of the fact that taxpayers kept the deadline in mind, and since the next deadline is also going to be for the corporates in the month of October, it clearly sets an example that there cannot be an extension expected, keeping in mind that the government didn't consider it for individual salaried, despite so many requests across Twitter that a lot of netizens were tweeting for extension by 15 days. Now, yet another important day, because GST numbers have been out and July has seen record-breaking second highest numbers for the year. It was in April that the collection was of about 1.68 lakh crore, and it is in July that GST collections have come up to about 1.48 lakh crore.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.